Okay, good afternoon boys. Here's the next tutorial. It's frightening how much you're learning in all this, so hopefully it'll be a whole new experience post COVID-19, having all these extra skills. But today we're going to be doing some mowing, and as you can see in the background, even though school is not out and you're learning online, there's still a lot of work going on, and I'd like to thank the services staff and all the staff, boarding and everybody else who's digging in and helping out. So in saying that, we've got the lovely Mrs. Hanson who's going to take us through the demonstration of how to mow. And before we begin, of course, it's always about safety first. So I'm going to ask Mrs. Hanson to get her safety gear on before we start mowing. Okay, look at this, ready to go, got the gear. Watch out the grass because Mrs. Hanson's about to begin. To talk you through, I'm going to get Mr. Minto to just take you through the operation of the lawnmower. So, Mr. Minto, over to you.
Hi guys, back again. Look, we're just going to look at the lawnmower at this stage here, just to give you an idea. Different lawnmowers, obviously for 2-stroke and 4-stroke. Some fuel's mixed, some isn't. But in regards to just where you put your fuel, usually they'll have some type of symbol, or so you can see there I've run over mine when it fell off once. But that's the place where you pour your fuel in. You should have a spout here, it's easy to pour, but make sure you got your parents around when you're doing it. Lid goes back on there. We can also walk around here, you can adjust this once you've done it. You can undo these, which are a bit tough, but these are the things that give you the ability to put it down when you store it away, when you're done. But when you're operating, do them up tight so you can get it nice and firm, and then you can adjust your height as well as much. You can go up if you want to do it nice and high, or you can drop it down so that it's nice and low cut the lawn, so make mum and dad pretty happy. Who's going to fire it up?
Yeah, we've got Mrs. Hanson who's going to fire it up.
Mrs. Hanson's going to fire it up. You've got your catcher there as well, guys, so you can catch the clippings.
Safety gear on.
Yeah.
Let's go.
Fire it up.
Yeah.
Good to go.
Ready? I can do it, boys. You can sew a button on a shirt.
Okay, alright, fantastic everybody, and as I said about everything you need to know, you learn in kindergarten, that whole idea of colouring in, it's just like colouring in the lawn, back and forward, making sure you get every spot. So a big thank you to Mrs. Hanson and Mr. Minto in regards to that. Just a couple of tips. Because of the fuel, could you just make sure that you talk to your family, maybe they do the putting the fuel in, because we wouldn't want you to get it mixed up. And of course, it's really important just to check the grass for any items that you don't go over, especially rocks. You don't want to rock into a window, so make sure you just do a pre-check on the grass that you're going to mow. And of course, ask mum and dad how high they want it. As you can see, if we kept going with Mrs. Hanson, it would be a bowling green here. She's done a fantastic job, and you can literally roll the balls down it in a couple of hours. Okay, thanks very much everybody.